singing, hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So, I'm in a really good mood. Okay, so today we are doing a pinky look or red look or something like that. I'm not really sure. I'm just kind of like filming because I feel like it. So that's what we're doing. I'm not talking super duper loud because my brother has a friend over and it's like gonna be kind of awkward. But we're just like gonna roll with it. So yeah, today's gonna be like a pink red look. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna use my two Huda Beauty dupes. So from the Athena palette, I'm going in with Velour, which is right there. And this is just gonna be my crease shade because it's kind of like a transition. So I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. I think. Do I want to do a halo eye? No halo eye. Never mind. But I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner in the crease. And I love how pigmented these shades are. Like, they are extremely pigmented and they're so pretty. And they're so cheap. I'm like surprised that they're as good as they are. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Flirt from the Aphrodite palette, which is just this super bright pink. This is just kind of like, I don't even know. I'm not really 100% sure what I'm doing with my makeup. I'm just kind of like doing it. It's a great old time. I've actually, since I got home, been in like a really good and happy mood, which I really like because I was kind of getting down in the dumps and getting in my feelings, but like I'm super happy and in a good mood and I just love it. I'm gonna go in with this red right here. Whoops. It's the shade Lust, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner and bring it into the crease. This shade you're probably gonna have to work with a little bit and keep adding more and more to. You might want to add a tiny bit of black. I don't know if I am yet or not, but you might want to, just to deepen up that pigment and add a deeper, darker red look. Okay, so that black in the Aphrodite palette is terrible. It looks super patchy, but I'm gonna try and clean it up. So I'm just gonna go in with my NYX pot concealer and cut my crease. Okay, so don't mind that this one looks kind of yellow. I went in with a shade that I didn't want to go into accidentally, so we're just gonna ignore it. This one's my picture anyways. So I'm gonna go in with Power, which is like a burgundy shade in the Athena palette, and just blend that into the cut crease. Okay, so for primer, I used the Smashbox like photo finish primer, and then for concealers I used the Maybelline Fit Me and the Tarte Shape Tape. I didn't feel like putting on foundation, so I didn't, and this is what we're looking like. For bronzer I'm going with the L'Oreal Glam Bronze because I'm a pasty little hoe, so we gotta add some color. I seriously love this bronzer so much. Like, that is beautiful. Like, oh my god, beautiful. There's this guy, and you know, he likes me and everything, and he's like super sweet and nice, but your girl don't want to get hurt again, so she's like holding herself back from allowing herself to have feelings or anything. And I haven't been like talking to this guy for that long. It's been like a few weeks, maybe like 2 or 3 or something. But like, we can't let ourselves open up and put down the wall, because then that's when we get hurt. So we're just like keeping the wall up for a while, and that's that. We're just like hiding from feelings. We're just like gonna hide from them, because hiding is better than getting hurt. So if we hide, we can stay A1. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Velour and this deep burgundy shade, which is called Power. And I'm just gonna kind of like add a tiny bit of that to the lower lash line to tie everything together. And then I'm gonna put on lower lash mascara. I love how pink and red make my blue eyes pop. Like, I have blue eyes, but they're not like ridiculously like pigmented and like bright blue. So like certain colors make them pop. And I just like love when my blue eyes pop. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going in with a mixture of Flexitarian on the bottom and then Champagne Pop on the top. So we're just gonna put on some Flexitarian. This highlighter is so gorgeous. I thought that since it's a bit more of like a creamy, we'd put it on the bottom. And since it's a lighter shade, it would help balance out the other one, hopefully. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I love ColourPop's formula. I really want to get some of their powder highlights though. I need to make a ColourPop order. So I have 2 coupon codes with people. I have one with dodolashes, which is T_Linn 1119, and then I have one with House of Sparkles UK, which I'm so excited about, and that one is T_Linn 1119, no underscore. And the dodolashes one, I'm pretty sure is 5% off, and then I'm not really sure how much the House of Sparkles one is. I hope I was saying House of Sparkles, not House of Lashes. House of Sparkles. And I'm like really excited about it, and I can't wait like to try out their products and make orders and everything. So your girl is super happy. I've had a couple of companies come to me lately, actually. Like, I had a couple of clothing companies, but when I messaged them asking like a question, they didn't message me back. So I don't really know. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's definitely more of like an easy wearable type of look. I know it's like dramatic, but it is more wearable than like some of my other ones. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love you all so much, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Oh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye babies.